Okay, here we go. We're going to edit a photograph that you sent. We're going to take some dust particles out and make it all nice and clean. So right now I'm looking for the file. There it is. Boom, right there. We're going to use I just double clicked on the file. That's going to bring up Windows 10 default photo viewer. It's got a real nice editing feature in it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to waste a minute or so doing the wrong thing. I'm going to zoom in and get up in the corner, get ready to edit, and then realize that I forgot to click the edit button, and so I kind of have to start all over again. So we'll just watch me make some mistakes here. I'm zoomed in. I'm going to slide the picture up to the upper left corner, and then realize I forgot to click the edit button and kind of have to start all over again. So here we go. We're still scrolling up to the corner, getting all set to go. There's our corner. Now I go, oh man, I forgot to click the edit button. So I click the edit button, then I click edit, and we start over. There we are. Now I'm over here clicking, trying to find my little button called Spot Fix. It's going to fix all our dust particles, but I'm really not ready yet because I got to get the thing zoomed in like I just did. So I'm clicking around trying to figure out what to do next. There's my Spot Fix button. Let's click the Spot Fix button, even though we're not ready to do that yet. I go, oh, wait a minute. I got to zoom it back in and get up in the corner like I did originally. Here we go. So we'll zoom in with the zoom button there in the lower right. Now I'll just kind of slide the picture over, get up in the corner, zoom it in a little bit more. Here we go. Slide her back up into the corner. There's our corner. Okay. Now we're ready to turn on the Spot Fix. And we got our little circle, and now we just start clicking dust out. You just left click, boom, look at there, gone. Gone, 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 gone. And just clicking, clicking, clicking away. The algorithm just blends the surrounding area into it and gets rid of all the dust particles. It works like $1,000,000. This really does work well. I've got another product that I've always used, and I still use it. It's called Paint Shop Pro, and it has a feature very much like this called Makeover. It does exactly the same thing. And then there's another feature in Paint Shop Pro called cloning, which I sometimes use to do the very same thing. It's a little different process, but you get the same result if you do it right. It takes a little bit of practice. And I'm going to make another video that shows how to do all this in Paint Shop Pro. Right now we're just clicking away with the Spot Fix tool, getting rid of all this dust. Getting rid, getting rid, getting rid. Now pretty soon here, I'm going to come down to some nice long pieces of hair and stuff. Same thing, no difference. All you got to do is you just start at one end. I'm still clicking up little pieces here. You can see down there in the bottom right, there's some hair when I get to it. Really, that's just as easy to get rid of. You just start at one end, start clicking, and go all the way around to the other end. And it disappears as it goes. Still trying to get rid of this stuff up here. It's being a little stubborn. Sometimes it can do that on the edges. You have to kind of get creative. Clickety-click. There you go, man. Just get rid of it all. All right, here we go. Now we're getting down to the hair. Watch this. Just click, 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 click. It's gone. Boom, gone. Here we go. Get rid of it all. Turn off the Spot Fix, slide the picture up a little bit further. Okay, now we'll do the next section here. Turn the spot fix back on and do some more clicking. Now the nice thing about this is I'm zoomed way in. I'm actually seeing and cleaning dust off to here that if you were looking at the picture just in a normal zoom, where the whole picture filled a frame on the computer, you wouldn't even see a lot of this stuff. So when you get this kind of stuff cleaned up and you zoom back out, man, you have got one clean looking photo. Let me tell you something. It looks like $1,000,000. It really does. Now here's I see a little problem in the, probably was in the negative right there. Click that out of there. There's a little imperfection. Okay, it's good. It's cleaned. Once I get down here into the mountain and the horse and Alice, I'm going to speed the video up because it's just more of the same. Turn the spot fix off, slide down, and somewhere in here, here it comes. It's coming pretty quick. We're going to double the speed up because otherwise we've got to sit here and watch this for another 2 or 3 minutes. So we'll speed her up and just watch me clicking on the horse and cleaning up the horse's legs and the grass and all kinds of cool stuff. Here we go. Now we're speeding her up. And we're cleaning up the horse's legs, getting rid of all those little white spots. Nice thing about this tool is that you can click into the grass or the post there, all the different textures, and the algorithm will keep the texture. You know, you click in there, get rid of a piece of dust on the grass, but the grass stays. I love this tool. It's the greatest. Same thing for the makeover tool in Paint Shop Pro. It pretty much gives you the same result. And all you got to do is click the button. I mean, you can't get any easier than that. Okay, now we're down to the bottom here. We're going to click a little bit more. Now what I would do at this point is I would slide over to the next section, clean that up, and then go up to the next section all the way to the top, and then slide further over to the right and come back down, kind of a zigzag pattern, until I was finished with the whole photograph, and then zoom it all back out and take a look at it, and then resave it as a copy. Here we go. Clicking away. And you get the cleanest picture. Now you can see over on that side where we just did that one column, but looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Then you'd save as a copy. You don't want to save. You don't want to overwrite the original. I always keep the original picture in case you have to go back to it. I've made that mistake many a time. Learned the hard way. So anyways, yeah, you save your picture, you're all set.